Are you getting enough of nature's powerhouse foods? Organ meats might not be on everyone's plate, but they pack a punch when it comes to essential nutrients. Ever wondered why our ancestors valued organ meats so highly? What makes them stand out in the world of nutrition? In this article, we'll delve into the vital role organ meats play in maintaining optimal health. From their nutrient-rich profiles to their historical significance, we'll uncover why organ meats deserve a place at the table for anyone looking to nourish their body and thrive. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Let's discuss the nutrient profile of organ meats. When it comes to nutrient density, organ meats are the unsung heroes of the culinary world. Packed with a plethora of essential vitamins and minerals, they offer a nutritional boost like no other. Take iron, for example. Organ meats such as liver are a powerhouse source of this crucial mineral, vital for transporting oxygen throughout the body and preventing fatigue. But that's not all. Organ meats also shine when it comes to vitamins. Need a healthy dose of vitamin A? Look no further than liver, which provides a hefty serving of this nutrient crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health. And let's not forget about the B vitamins. Organ meats, particularly liver and kidneys, are rich in vitamin B12, essential for nerve function, DNA synthesis, and red blood cell production. Compared to their muscle meat counterparts, organ meats often boast higher concentrations of nutrients. For instance, while muscle meats like steak may provide ample protein, they often fall short in terms of micronutrients. In contrast, organ meats offer a comprehensive array of vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritional powerhouse in every bite. And for those exploring plant-based options, organ meats offer a unique advantage. While plants contain many essential nutrients, some, like vitamin B12 and heme iron, are primarily found in animal products. Incorporating organ meats into the diet can help ensure a well-rounded nutrient intake, particularly for those following vegetarian or vegan lifestyles. In summary, organ meats are not only rich in essential nutrients like iron, vitamin A, and B vitamins, but they also outshine muscle meats and plant-based sources in terms of nutrient density. Including these nutritional powerhouses in your diet can provide a wide range of health benefits and help you thrive. Additionally, they are responsible for supporting health and vitality in a major way. Organ meats aren't just a one-trick pony when it comes to nutrition. They offer a multitude of benefits that support overall health and vitality. One of the key advantages is their ability to boost immune function. Thanks to their high content of vitamins A and D, as well as zinc, organ meats play a vital role in maintaining a robust immune system, helping the body fend off infections and illnesses. But that's not all. Organ meats also have a positive impact on cognitive health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in brain meats like liver and heart are essential for brain function and development. Additionally, the choline present in organ meats supports neurotransmitter synthesis, contributing to cognitive clarity and memory retention. Feeling sluggish? Organ meats can help with that too. Their rich concentration of B vitamins, particularly B12, fuels energy production at the cellular level, keeping fatigue at bay and promoting overall vitality. Whether you're powering through a busy day or hitting the gym, organ meats can provide the sustained energy you need to excel. Moreover, organ meats play a crucial role in hormone regulation. The cholesterol found in these meats serves as a building block for hormones like testosterone and estrogen, supporting proper hormonal balance and function. This is particularly important for reproductive health, as well as overall well-being and vitality. In essence, incorporating organ meats into your diet isn't just about meeting your nutritional needs. It's about optimizing your health and vitality. From boosting immune function and supporting cognitive health to enhancing energy levels and promoting hormone regulation, these nutritional powerhouses offer a holistic approach to wellness that can benefit everyone. But these powerhouses have been long-standing in cuisine, especially considering organ meats and traditional diets. Ever wondered why organ meats were prized by our ancestors across different cultures? It's not just about taste, it's about tradition and wisdom passed down through generations. Traditional diets around the world have long recognized the importance of organ meats for overall health and vitality. Think about it, in many traditional cuisines, no part of the animal goes to waste. Organ meats were valued for their nutrient density and their ability to sustain communities through lean times. From liver pâté in French cuisine to hearty stews featuring heart and kidneys in Eastern European traditions, organ meats have been celebrated and incorporated into diverse culinary traditions. But it's not just about culinary customs, there's a deeper cultural significance too. In many cultures, certain organs are believed to hold special properties or symbolic meanings. For example, liver might be associated with vitality and strength, while heart may symbolize courage or love. By including these organs in their diets, people not only nourished their bodies but also honored their cultural heritage and beliefs. Today, as we strive to reconnect with our food and embrace sustainable eating practices, there's a renewed interest in traditional diets and the wisdom they offer. Incorporating organ meats into our modern meals is not just a nod to the past, it's a way to reclaim our connection to the land, honor the animals we consume, and nourish our bodies with the nutrient-rich foods that sustained our ancestors for generations. So, next time you're at the butcher or perusing a menu, consider adding some organ meats to your plate. You'll not only be embracing tradition but also supporting your health and well-being in the process. Organ meats also continue to be addressing nutrient gaps. In our modern world of processed foods and convenience meals, nutrient deficiencies are all too common. Many of us fall short on essential vitamins and minerals needed for optimal health. This is where organ meats step in as nutritional superheroes, offering a solution to fill these nutrient gaps. Organ meats provide a concentrated source of key nutrients that are often lacking in modern diets. For example, iron deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies worldwide, yet liver, a powerhouse of iron, can help replenish these stores. Similarly, vitamin A deficiency is a significant global health issue, particularly in low-income communities, but liver provides a readily available source of this essential vitamin. Moreover, organ meats offer unique benefits for vulnerable populations such as pregnant women, children, and the elderly. These groups have increased nutrient needs, yet they often struggle to meet them through diet alone. By incorporating organ meats into their meals, they can boost their intake of critical nutrients like iron, vitamin A, and B vitamins, supporting healthy growth, development, and aging. In essence, organ meats offer a practical and sustainable solution to address nutrient deficiencies and support overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your iron levels, enhance your immune function, or support healthy aging, organ meats can provide the nutritional support your body needs to thrive. Incorporating organ meats into your diet may seem daunting at first, but with a bit of creativity and know-how, it can be both delicious and rewarding. Start small by adding small amounts of organ meats into dishes you already enjoy, such as mixing chopped liver into meatballs or adding diced heart to chili for a subtle introduction to their flavors and textures. If the idea of eating organ meats whole is off-putting, consider blending them into ground meat dishes like burgers or meatloaf to still reap the nutritional benefits without the distinct taste or texture. Explore traditional recipes from around the world that feature organ meats as star ingredients, from French pâté to Italian trippa alla Fiorentina, to discover delicious new dishes. Experiment with bold seasonings and marinades to mask any strong flavors if you're still unsure about the taste of organ meats. Citrus, herbs, and spices can all help balance out their richness and make them more palatable. Lastly, when purchasing organ meats, opt for high-quality, pasture-raised options whenever possible for a cleaner flavor profile and superior nutritional content. With these tips in mind, you can confidently incorporate organ meats into your diet and enjoy the numerous health benefits they have to offer, whether you're a seasoned culinary enthusiast or a novice in the kitchen. Here are some potential concerns and considerations. Before diving into a diet rich in organ meats, it's essential to address some common concerns. One worry is the misconception that organ meats are high in toxins due to their role in filtering waste in the body. However, when sourced from healthy animals and prepared properly, organ meats are safe to eat and offer valuable nutrients. Moderation is key, as with any food, to avoid excessive intake of certain nutrients. Additionally, individuals with specific dietary restrictions or health conditions may need to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating organ meats into their diet. By understanding these considerations and making informed choices, you can enjoy the benefits of organ meats while ensuring a balanced and healthy approach to eating. In conclusion, organ meats are nutritional powerhouses that offer a wealth of benefits for overall health and vitality. From their rich nutrient profiles to their cultural significance, they provide a holistic approach to nourishing the body. By embracing traditional wisdom and incorporating organ meats into our diets, we can fill nutrient gaps, support immune function, and enhance overall well-being. So, whether you're exploring new recipes or seeking to optimize your health, consider adding organ meats to your plate. Let's rediscover the value of these nutrient-rich foods and pave the way for a healthier future.